application of the motion is a little more difficult. You need the motion, some very good double-sided tape, or if you are handy, you can use a drill. It comes with screws and wall mounts for the motion. I'll show you how to do that, and the scissors to cut the double-sided tape.
Right.
Alright, so take out the motion. So here's the screws if you want to mount it. I'll show you the mounting points. You have mounting points on the side. You just drill as a guide through and secure it back. That's it. So to activate the motion, you have to pull the tab to remove. See the light? Close it. So now ideally you want to put the double-sided tape on the side of the motion. So you cut a piece. So ideally you want to mount this at an angle at your entry points. So where your windows and your doors are entering the premises, you want to make sure that the motion will capture any movement coming in. So ideally this is a perfect spot. I have a motion and the entry door is behind us, so it will come. So all now I need to do is remove the double-sided tape. Make sure it's pumped and fasten it securely. Give it a shake just to make sure that it's making contact with the wall. And then that's it.